Hey, welcome my scrapping friends to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa, and today I'm doing the final review of the recipe album that I have taught you over the last 3 weeks. So I hope you have caught something of it, or you made it, or you plan on to make it. Let me know in the comments below if you've made it or you would like to make this, okay? I did do live classes on how to construct this and to decorate this one right here on my YouTube channel. So yes, if you haven't caught it, go back and make one for you, because I'll tell you what, it turned out, whew, yeah. So I am so excited to show you this album. Now you can go get the cutting guide and written tutorial for this album if you would like. It does come with the chipboard album like this. You get the folio album, and you get my 9x9 album as well. My first one that I made. This one is my number 2 one. And then you get Pocketful folios too. And I will be releasing those, I'll probably start tomorrow and just release them one day. But there's 7 of those that you can make out of some of the designs in here. So yes, so keep an eye out for that. They're pretty fabulous. I mean, pretty neat how all this came about. But in the classes, I do, I give you the measurements and everything. But if you don't want to stop and replay, and you would like to have this in your hand, go grab it, guys. You get 3 albums plus your 7 folios, and you I have all the classes uploaded inside this tutorial too. Okay, so just go to my website, scrappingitupwithnog.com. All right, this album measures 10 by 11 with a 2-inch spine. Okay, and I did give you more room here too. I increased all this right here for you. Okay, so there's that, and here's the back of it. Oh, it really turned out really beautiful. Really beautiful. It was a long time, about 3 weeks it took for us to make this. All right, so you open it up, and I know this is going to be very hard to keep on camera, but I will try to do my best. So you open up here, and you have a slanted pockets. Now, in the last video, I showed you how to, this is just, what do you call those, page protectors that I showed you how to make. You know, let's say you grab a recipe out of here and you're going to make it, but you don't want to get the recipe card all dirty. You just put that right there, and you can wipe this off with a washcloth. Put your recipe back in, and I made 2 protectors, and just keep them right here. That way you always have them. Then we made little booklets, and I done an insertion point here to where you could stick, some recipes in. Okay, and these little booklets hold the snap, like Simple Stories puts them out. You can get them at Hobby Lobby. They're the snap pages. Okay, the snap pages. So we made some booklets out of it. So this just flips. Then we just decorated some cardstock up to put inside some of the pockets. And then this one flips. And then this one flips open too. And I forgot, I didn't finish that. Whoops. But yeah, so these little booklets can go anywhere throughout your album. Okay, so just like that. And I show you how to make those too. All right. So now, and I done my scrap. It's like a quilt. You put it together. I taught you a couple of years ago how to do this to use up scraps. You know, when you do an album, you have little scraps. So I come up with this idea. It's been at least a couple of years ago, and I do have a video where I show you how to do this. So go back a couple of years and you'll find it. So it's wonderful, wonderful. So then we have this page here, and I didn't want to bulk this one up because this shuts here. So I left it pretty simple. So, you know, you could put a picture here, journal, put a picture here, journal. This album is geared for recipes and photographs. So it could be an heirloom, you know, of your, all your mom's and grandma's recipes, you know, hand it down to your daughter. I mean, it'd make a wonderful, wonderful gift. So I done it both right here on that. Doesn't that, oh, let me know in the comments, guys, you know, what you think about this album. When I first started this album out, I did not plan on it being quite this big, but it's huge. Then we made a expandable envelope right here. So you see how much, I mean, my gosh, it's got a lot of room. A lot of room to put recipes. All right. And I just decorated the flap up, and it's held with magnets. All right. And like I said, I did give you more room here. I made the sides on this in the cutting guide. They are bigger than what we done in class. Okay, because it didn't take long and it bulked up. So then we have this here, and I teach you how to make these little pockets. And then you have a pocket up here, okay? And then this opens up. So I'll do this side here first. So then that opens, and you have a pocket here that you could put, well, I guess booklets don't fit there. So you can make, you know, some photo mats to go there. Then you have that. Oh, this paper. I use Simple Stories Apron Strings is the collection that I used to make this, to decorate it. Oh, I mean, it's wonderful, wonderful. So then you have 3 pockets here, and they go all the way down. Then you have a pocket here, which can hold a booklet, okay? And then that flips open, okay? Then you have a pocket here, and a pocket here. And then in class I showed you how you could connect. I have some that has 4. You know, if you have a big long recipe, and it's we used washi tape. So then you have a nice big slanted pocket here. So again, you could put your little booklets in there. You could put magazine recipes that you tear out of magazines, put them here. And then it has also a little pocket here. So lots of room, guys, lots of room. Okay, let's go to the other side. Sorry, trying to keep this all in cameras. So this opens up, and again you have a pocket. This mirrors the other side that I just showed you. All right. How cute, how cute. And this paper, guys, is gorgeous. If you can get your hands on some of this and you plan on doing any type of a recipe album, I would grab it. It's beautiful, beautiful. I think this is the one that has 4. Yeah, it's the one that has 4. But I show you how to do that during the class videos. And you have another pocket here, and then pocket here, and another pocket here. This thing is just loaded up with pockets for all, and I am guessing, I've said 100, but I would almost bet this thing is going to hold over 150 photos and recipe cards. It may even be more than that. I'm not really, I haven't figured it up yet. So then you have a pocket here and your nice big pocket here. Okay. So now, put it back in the middle. I told you that this album just keeps on going and going. So then we have another pocket here. And then you can stick some more recipes in there. And then you have a pocket up here. That opens up. And then we have the same thing here. Okay, recipe. And that just goes back behind the pocket, and then a pocket up here. All right. And I only used one paper pack and a 6x8 paper pad to decorate this whole thing. So I had to use beige cardstock and kind of a scarlet color, crimson or something like that. But oh man, beautiful. Then here is the very middle of it. So you have a pocket here. I tell you, this thing is full of pockets. And then you get some recipe cards here. Then this flips open. And I know there's no way I can even get it on camera. So then, guess what? You guessed it, pockets. More pockets on the slanted. And then we just kind of built this up to where you could put a recipe, you know, some recipe cards in, kind of like a tuck spot. Guess what? More pockets. I mean, this album, oh my gosh. You know, and if you don't even want to make a recipe album, this would be wonderful for a groom and the bride side, and then the side with them all together. It'd be perfect for that. You know, here is the groom side. This one is all the bride side. You know, the before photos. You know, and then this here is them together. I mean, perfect album for that. And then again, we done little tuck spots here. Okay. And then it opens up to this. So you could put 2 photos or journal. But yeah, I mean, it's a wonderful album. And I hope you guys will make it. And like I said, I did do classes here on YouTube. I've done classes on Facebook. So if you would like to make this, it's gorgeous. Okay, so this opens up here. Then you have some more pockets here. Okay. And then these pockets open. Am I still on camera? Yeah, barely. And then you have a belly band here and a belly band here. And then we had a patchwork page, which is another thing that I developed a couple of years ago, where you just use up your scraps. And it's a little piece here when we make the album, and then we just build off this piece here, and you just use scraps that are left over. So you could put a photo here, you could put a photo here, or journal here. But yeah, that's a patchwork page. And then you have a pocket here. Nice big pocket. I think that holds, yep, just barely. It just barely holds it. Beautiful. And then that just kind of holds it nice and tidy. Then let's go to the other side. Okay. Make sure I can stay on camera. Okay, so this flips open. And again, you have a pocket and another pocket. And those open up to that with a belly band. And so then you can put your recipe cards or photo mats, you know, however you want to use this album. Here's another one of my patchwork pages. And again, it's just put together with scraps. You could put a photo here, photo here, photo here, journal. It's just a nice way to use up scraps. And then you have a nice big pocket here. Okay. Beautiful album. Beautiful album. But yeah, you get the chipboard album. Oops, I gotta fold this right. The left side folds in, then the right side. See, there's two sections right there. And then you have that side and then that side. And out of all this, you get 7 different folios that you can make out of these elements. Okay, and I turn them into folios that will hold, you know, anywhere from 50 to 100 photos. So be keeping an eye out for that. Oh no, I got that on my ink thing over there. Crap. But that is my recipe album. Please let me know, you know, what you think about this. If you plan on making one, even if you just love the paper, because you get a chance to get this paper, guys. It's beautiful. Beautiful. And it's by Simple Stories, okay? Alright, guys. I appreciate you watching, hanging out with me. And, you know, during all my live classes on this, go check it out, guys. I hope you will either make the chipboard one or the folio one. I will be getting the folio album decorated, but it won't be with recipe. It will be as an everyday album. So that will be coming, it'll be a couple months probably down the road, at least a month. So, okay guys, that's all I have for you. I hope you guys have a good day, and we'll be talking to you later. Keep scrapping. Bye-bye.